So the title of this video says how to copy trade KOLs the right way. Now, I want to start this video off by saying this is not legal financial advice. And I also want to say that you should never copy trade, okay? You should never copy trade. Now, what I'm showing you on my screen is my wallet trackers, my list of KOLs that I track. Okay? Now, what is a copy trade? To me, a copy trade means when you see someone buy something and you just automatically buy it. You don't even check the volume, you don't know the narrative, you don't look into the coin, you don't see who's holding it. You don't check the Twitter, see if they have an Instagram, you don't check the website. And what do I mean by check the website, check the Twitter? Let's just click on a random coin. So, as you can see, I'm tracking a wallet that made $400,000 in 1 month. I do this often because if they can make $400,000 in a month and I can see everything that they do for the most part, then I should be able to make that much money a month too. And that's my logic. But I don't take all the trades they do. They take a lot of trades. So as you can see on my screen here, it's a lot of motion, right? It's a lot of motion. Now, how do you decipher the motion? I look at the trade amounts, right? So for instance, if we stop it right here, this guy just aped 6 sold into Legend, right? So I'm going to click on Legend just to see what it is. Right? Legend. 25 seconds ago, 24,000 market cap. So it has motion, right? And also what you want to look at is the bundles and the devs. Now the devs hold 30% of this coin, which means that they hold like most of what it's worth, right? And if they sell, then the chart's gonna nuke. It's gonna go down. So as you can see, it's down to 7,000, 6,000. It's gonna go down to 4,000, and they're in and out of this one, right? That coin was solid. It went to 100K. That was a solid coin. Most coins don't get to 100K. Most coins are about a 15K, 20K topper, and they're out of here. But when a coin goes to like 100K, 90K, that means it was solid. The more that you're on Axiom or whatever trading platform you're on, the more that you're able to peep volume. If a coin has volume or not, high value, you get to see how many KOLs and how many people's wallet that you track are buying the coin, right? So I think I'm going to end the video here, but that was just a little advice on how to copy trade the right way. You never want to copy trade, first off, but if you do, use your own conviction. See what they're doing. Say, oh, okay, they're buying into this coin. Should I buy into this coin? What's the narrative? Does it have motion? Can I 50% my port? You know what I mean? Can I make profits here? Right? That's what you want to check. Notice how we got into that coin. When I brought it up on the screen, it was 24,000. After we checked the stats, it was already at 7,000, 9,000. They were already pulling it. So be mindful. And sometimes you have to be quick. You have to be quick. The quickest man, earliest, fastest dude get the worm in the morning. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all follow the Twitter account, Hood Toshi, and click the link that's posted under this thread if you want to get on my trading platform, Axiom. Oh, I clicked go live instead of close. Fuck. Jeez Louise.